Welcome to my channel. Flashing white light version. 1. Startup process. A flashing white light often indicates the router is booting up. Wait for it to stabilize. 2. Firmware update. The light may flash during a firmware update. Avoid turning off the router to prevent interruption. 3. Signal connection. It could mean the router is trying to establish a connection with Virgin's network. Check cable connections. 4. Network outage. A blinking white light can signify a service disruption. Verify Virgin Media's service status online. 5. Loose cables. Inspect the power and coaxial cables to ensure they are securely connected. 6. Resetting router. If the light blinks after a reset, it indicates the router is reconfiguring. Allow it a few minutes. 7. Overheating issue. Excessive heat may cause operational issues. Ensure proper ventilation for the router. 8. Wi-Fi setup mode. During setup, a flashing white light can indicate the router is awaiting configuration. Complete the setup process. Thank you for watching.